Being able to turn off or on a light from multiple places in your home is called three-way switching. But how does it work? Let's take a look. Before we get to three-way switches, let's start with the basics. Single pole switches, which means you have one switch that turns on the lights. No other switches can turn on and off the lights other than the one. Now, this diagram here represents our single pole switch. You have your two screws. One wire has your hot coming into it. The other wire has your hot going to your light fixture. In the internals, when the switch is in the off position, it is an open circuit, meaning there is no connection from your electricity to your lamp. If you turn on the switch, now you have a connection inside the switch, which is allowing the electricity to go from one screw to the other to your light bulb and then return back to the ground. Here's a simple diagram of a pair of three-way switches. You have one switch and another switch. The black dot here represents the common screw, which is either the hot in to the switch or the other common screw, which is the hot out to the light. The white dots here represent the gold screws, which are called the travelers. You have two on each switch. When both of your switches are in the right position, your voltage is going to come through, go to your black screw, out of your gold screw, cross your traveler wire, into the next gold screw, and out the black screw internally in the switch, and turn on your light. If either one of these switches change their position, now we have an open circuit. Your voltage is going to come across this traveler and not make it to the light. So that's how you're turning off the light from the other end of the room. Either one of these switches, if their state is changed, is going to turn on that light fixture. If the first switch gets flipped down, boom, the light turns on. If the other switch was turned on, you go back to the position that we had it originally, and the light turns on. Now let's take a look at what that's actually going to look like with wires in a box. Here you have typical wiring for a three-way switch. Your black and red are your travelers on your gold screws at the top of the switch. And on the black screw is your other black, which is your common, either feed in or feed out. You also have your neutrals tied together in this box, going from your source to your light fixture. At the back of the box, you can see your two cables coming in. On the left is a 14-3 Romex, which means you have three conductors plus your ground, a white, a black, and a red. And on the right is a 14-2 Romex, a white and a black, again, plus your ground. The 14-2 is going to be either your feed into the switch box or your feed from the switch to the light fixture. The 14-3 is going to be your travelers, the black and the red, and it has to carry your neutral from one end of the room to the other. Let's take a look at the inside of an actual three-way switch. You can see I've cut the back open. You can see the connections from the travelers through the contact all the way through to the other screw, which is your common, the black screw. And on the other side is your other traveler screw going through to your common. And when the switch is moved, you can see how the contact opens and closes. And when one opens, the other closes. So depending on if the switch is up or down, there's always power going to one of the traveler screws. That's why a three-way switch doesn't say on or off on the face of the switch itself, whereas a single pole switch clearly states on or off. And there you have it, typical three-way switch wiring. Leave a comment if you found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.